Welcome to another in the series of self-identity through oponopono. Our instructor has taught this process all over the world. He's an author, a lecturer, and a PhD. Here is Dr. Hew Len.
Welcome to the series of self-identity through Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono is a very ancient Hawaiian process of problem solving. And what does it problem solve? What is the meaning of Ho'oponopono? The meaning of Ho'oponopono is to correct an error. And where is that error? The error is always in you, and specifically in your subconscious. And in your subconscious holds all of the woes and the problems that you have, whether they're physical, financial, material. The problem is memories replaying, and what Shakespeare is saying, you're just re-experiencing them. So the Ho'oponopono is a very simple process of rectifying these errors, appealing to the divinity to make amends for those errors that you experience as memories replaying in your soul. So I'm going to talk about a very important lady, and the question is, who is Morna Nalamaku Simeona? So Morna Nalamaku Simeona was born in 1913, and she transitioned in 1992 at the age of 79. And over the years, she developed this self-identity through Ho'oponopono, and for her work, she was designated a living treasure of Hawaii in 1982. So Morna has a very, very simple but profound statement. And this statement says, if we can accept that we are the sum total of all past thoughts, emotions, words, deeds, and actions, that our present lives and choices are colored or shaded by this memory bank of the past, then we can begin to see how a process of correcting or setting aright can change our lives, our families, and our society. So what is Morna talking about? Morna's talking about Morna's talking about the fact that we are really history, that all of what we are experiencing today is historical, it's past, it's memories replaying. So if we're experiencing gallbladder problems, financial problems, any of those problems, they're just memories replaying. It's memories that we didn't get the last time, and the divinity is giving us this lifetime to get again. So the process is very, very, very simple, and the process is only about saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me. So any of these processes that I've talked about, I love you, thank you, blue solar water, any of the other processes that will be coming up, the process is just saying to the divinity, I'm sorry, please forgive me for whatever memories they're replaying in my soul, and I would like to make amends for them. So the process is very, very simple. So I'm going to talk about the fact that it's not my job. So I was in Germany one day during a class, and I was visiting a chocolate factory on the Rhine, and didn't buy any chocolate, but this statement came up as a placard. So that's not my job. This is a story about 4 people named everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody. There was an important job to be done, and everybody was sure that somebody would do it. Anybody could have done it, but nobody did it. Somebody got angry about that because it was everybody's job. Everybody thought anybody could do it, but nobody realized that everybody wouldn't do it. It ended up that everybody blamed somebody when nobody did what anybody could have done. So the Ho'oponopono is about accepting responsibility. That once something comes up, you notice that every time there's a problem, you are always there, and so the process is very simple. You look at yourself, what's going on in me that I'm experiencing this problem, and you begin the process of cleaning, and the process could be any one of these processes. It could be I love you, thank you, blue soul water, any of these processes, and these are processes where you appeal to the divinity, and the divinity says to you, okay, you're willing to rectify, and I'm willing to make amends. So what happens, the divinity sends the mana down, erases the memory, takes it back to zero, releases the memory, and you're home free. Thank you very much.
Self-identity through Ho'oponopono.com.